Hi dear friend, look at this lock, which with different model. Look at this one. When I turn this button to be the needle, then I can open my bag. So we can push it like this, okay? And let's see other one. This one, it looks very fashion, very beautiful. So if I turn by this way, you can see it can go out. And the touch feeling is very comfortable, very good. I don't know how can I explain this feeling. Anyway, I feel it's very comfortable. And you see, can you hear this voice? Because we used a very good spring inside, very good one. And look at this one. This is can be for the computer bag, for some men bag, not the lady bag, also can be used. So which model do you like? Also look at, we have this model. So if you need different locker for your bag, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.